Welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today I'm going to review a product, this right here. Yes, this is my diesel anti-gel fuel treatment. And I just put it in this bottle because it was almost empty. And you can pick any of your diesel conditioner anti-gel products. And you know what? They all work great. So in this particular video, I'd like to discuss why last winter I came out one day, this would not fire. Not even close to being fired. And I started thinking, and I had just filled it up the day before. I'd only put 5 gallons in because it was almost empty. So I only put 5 gallons in, and I forgot to put the fuel treatment in. Now it was an extremely cold winter last year, so the first thing I thought was, dingbat, you forgot to put the treatment in. Okay, so I come over here, I took it off, the cap, the fuel cap off. I took a look inside, and that is the first time I've ever seen diesel fuel gel up like that. If you looked in there with a flashlight, it was almost like a creamy looking substance that you could like put your screwdriver in and take out chunks. And I thought, wow. And that, like, it was extremely cold. Now, it does say that diesel will start to gel up at -9 degrees Celsius, I believe. But you know what? That's really not that cold. I have ran diesel equipment colder than that, and they never gelled up. But it was, I would say, -27, -28 for a couple of days. And yeah, it was pretty cold. This thing gelled right up solid. So I had to bring it over here, just like you're seeing right here. And on my wall over there, I have an electric heater. I had to heat the shop up. And it took hours to get this thing thawed out. And it was all because I didn't put the anti-gel in. And why? I didn't get a start on it. And what the symptoms of this when you start it up, when it's just not getting no fuel, it will just run, won't ignite, and then I guess there's a timer on this and it shuts off. And you know what? That's the first thing I thought about, because this always starts. So I just thought I'd put out this video today that if you live in a cold climate and it gets cold, you really should put this anti-gel in your fuel conditioner. They're not very expensive. You can buy a big bottle of it relatively cheap. And all I do is with this container is I just tip it up, and I don't really measure it. I just put about 3 or 4 good squirts in there, and that's it. And if you forget it once, yeah, you're not going to have a start. Okay, so thanks for joining me here today. I hope maybe this could prevent somebody else from having a no start on their torpedo diesel run heater for their shop too. These guys take care now. Cheers.